What's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing well. I am beyond excited for one of my, not my first build, but one of my first builds that I'm actually buying all the parts and putting it together. I got this from Solo Guitars, and this here, I mean, look at the quilt, and it's double bound. So I'm gonna be making a Telecaster that is going to be a Chucky Child's Play theme. And I've had this idea in my head for so long, and finally I just pulled the trigger and just was like, I have to do this. A big reason too is coming up in July, like 4th of July weekend, Brad Dourif, who voiced Chucky in the series, you know, he's gonna be coming to a convention, horror convention, and it's somewhere in Indiana. And I feel like this is my chance to, you know, finally, this is my only chance to do this, you know? So, but anyway, let me just run you through the idea of what I'm gonna be doing. So, this Telecaster, quilted maple top, right? You guys gotta dream with me for a minute, okay? Quilted maple top, quilted maple back. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna dye the front and the back like a dark blue. Then I'm gonna sand away kind of the center a little bit, you know, it may add more contrast to the grain. And then I'm gonna go over that with a tinted light blue clear coat. So that this is gonna look like an ocean, you know, and it's literally gonna look like waves with that maple top. Gonna do a custom Good Guys doll theme pick guard. Gonna be denim, gonna say Good Guys, kind of represent his overall. I want, when you look at this, for it to just scream Chucky. And I really think with all the colors that I'm gonna be using, it's really gonna like drive that home. And I like my theme guitars to not really necessarily like beat you over the head with it by like, you know, slapping a picture of him on here. But I want you to be able to clearly see like, oh, that's what that is, you know? And I really think I'm gonna be able to do that. And I have this vision for it that, you know, maybe by the time this is posted, like maybe it'll already be done and you'll see it. I think it would be cool to kind of show how this is being made and painted, and maybe even get some footage of the convention of Brad signing this. But yeah, so, you know, blue top, back. The sides though, the sides are going to be his infamous, you know, striped undershirt with, I lost count. I'll show you all the colors I have, but there's probably like 7 different colors maybe. There's like red, pink, light blue, green, dark blue, like a gray. So yeah, like 6, 7 colors with the white underneath. Anyway, that's gonna be striped all along the sides. My plan is to spray white all around, and then you'll see my process of masking off all the stripes. That's gonna be pretty intense, but at the same time, I'm looking forward to it. Like, I literally can't wait, which is why I'm shooting this video now. Today is June 4th, so I have like a month to get this done, which I think I can, you know? I'm definitely gonna try my hardest to at least get it. The plan is to have him sign the front, and then I'm gonna lock it in with more clear coat, so that will last forever, you know? And I think that is so cool. I'm building this to be a player guitar, like a true player guitar. And I am thinking of selling it just so I can continue making some crazy cool guitars. But at the same time, I'm building it to specs that I would play. This is gonna be a baritone. This is gonna be a 24 fret baritone Telecaster, double bound. The neck is gonna have some crazy woods. So it's gonna be something that no one's really ever seen. Definitely a one-off guitar. And I don't know if I'm gonna wanna part with it, to be honest, but you know, you never know. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I just wanted to kind of give you a rundown of my vision. And once again, this is from Solo Guitars. I'm really not a Telecaster or like a Stratocaster type of person, but this is, I mean, I could look at this for days and just smile, especially once it's gonna, man, like have that paint job on there. Anyway, I'm rambling. I just wanted to share kind of my vision on how this is gonna turn out, and stay tuned. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna be getting to it, and we'll see how this turns out. I'm so freaking excited. I hope you are too. Yeah, have a good one, you all, and I will see you soon.